So we've been using this mat for 15 months now, and it's been a real game changer for our house. One of the best things about this mat is how it catches all the dirt and water from our shoes and from our dog's paws. Our boxer absolutely loves this mat, and it has become his favorite spot to lay down throughout the day. The non-skid backing is super fantastic. It stays put no matter how much traffic it gets, which is perfect for our busy household. Cleaning is super easy. When it gets dirty, I just toss it in the washer, and it comes out looking as good as new every single time. This mat has held up so well over time. Despite the constant use and washes, it still looks great and continues to serve its purpose. This mat has been fantastic for us, and I hope my experience helps you decide if it would be a great addition to your home.